Maintaining healthy blood pressure is essential for a long and fulfilling life. High blood pressure, or hypertension, affects millions worldwide, but natural methods can help manage and reduce it effectively. This 10-week program provides actionable steps to lower your blood pressure through hydration, nutrition, exercise, and relaxation. Let's dive into the details of each week's focus. Week 1. Hydration and healthy beverages. Proper hydration is the foundation of health, especially for managing blood pressure. Drinking enough water helps flush toxins, improve blood circulation, and maintain kidney function. Replace sugary drinks and caffeine with herbal teas or plain water. Teas like hibiscus and green tea are particularly effective, as they contain antioxidants that promote heart health. Start by tracking your water intake, aiming for at least 8 cups daily. Gradually reduce soda or energy drinks, and try infused water with lemon or cucumber for added benefits. This simple change sets the tone for the rest of the program. Week 2. Supplements and hawthorn. Supplements can address nutritional deficiencies that contribute to high blood pressure. Incorporate vitamins and minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium into your diet, or through supplements. Hawthorn, a natural herb known as a heart tonic, supports cardiovascular health by improving circulation and reducing arterial stiffness. Include potassium-rich foods like bananas, spinach, and sweet potatoes in your meals. Hawthorn tea or capsules can enhance your routine, boosting the benefits of a balanced diet and exercise. Always consult a healthcare professional to determine the right supplements for your needs. Week 3. Start your day right. A healthy morning routine sets the tone for the day. A fiber-rich breakfast, like oatmeal with fresh fruits, provides energy and helps lower cholesterol levels. Add a brisk morning walk to boost your mood and improve heart health. Sun exposure increases vitamin D levels, essential for vascular function. If mornings are busy, dedicate 10 minutes to stretching or yoga. Avoid processed breakfasts that spike blood sugar levels. By creating a consistent and healthy start to your day, you're building a solid foundation for managing blood pressure. Week 4. Mindful consumption. Mindful eating can greatly impact your health. Reducing sugar intake helps prevent insulin resistance, a condition linked to hypertension. Replace sugary snacks with natural alternatives like bananas, which are rich in potassium. Dark chocolate in moderation is also beneficial due to its flavonoids. Limit alcohol consumption. If you drink, choose red wine in moderation for its antioxidants. Practice reading food labels to identify hidden sugars and salts. Meal planning ensures you stick to a nutrient-rich diet, improving physical health and instilling a sense of control over your lifestyle. Week 5. Salt and natural seasonings. Salt is a major contributor to high blood pressure. Reduce intake by replacing table salt with natural seasonings like garlic, onion, or herbs like basil and oregano. Olive oil, rich in heart-healthy fats, is an excellent alternative to processed cooking oils. Be mindful of hidden salt in processed foods like canned soups, sauces, and snacks. Preparing meals at home with fresh ingredients and creative spices promotes heart health while keeping your meals flavorful and satisfying. Week 6. Healthy fats and fish. Incorporating healthy fats and omega-3 rich foods like salmon, mackerel, and walnuts can significantly boost heart health. These fats reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol, and improve blood vessel function. Add fatty fish to your weekly meals, or snack on nuts for convenience. Avocado, olive oil, and flax seeds are other excellent choices. Avoid trans fats and heavily processed oils, as they damage arteries and increase hypertension risk. Prioritizing healthy fats enhances your diet's nutritional value and supports blood pressure management. Week 7. Quality sleep and relaxation. Quality sleep and relaxation are essential for regulating blood pressure and reducing stress. Poor sleep raises cortisol levels, negatively impacting your heart. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep nightly. Develop a bedtime routine by limiting screen time and creating a calming environment. Stress management is equally important. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or aromatherapy. Essential oils like lavender or chamomile promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Consistent rest and stress reduction stabilize blood pressure and enhance overall well-being. Week 8. Whole foods for wellness. Whole foods like grains, tomatoes, and nuts are rich in nutrients that support heart health and blood pressure regulation. Whole grains provide fiber, improving digestion and reducing cholesterol. Tomatoes are rich in potassium and antioxidants like lycopene, protecting against cardiovascular diseases. Nuts, particularly almonds and walnuts, contain healthy fats and magnesium, reducing inflammation and improving blood vessel function. Avoid heavily processed foods that lack essential nutrients and contribute to acidity. Incorporating these whole foods ensures sustained energy and a healthier cardiovascular system. Week 9. Eliminate harmful habits. Quitting harmful habits like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption is vital for heart health. Smoking damages blood vessels and raises blood pressure, while excessive alcohol weakens the heart. Replace these habits with healthier alternatives, such as deep breathing exercises to manage cravings or herbal teas, instead of alcoholic drinks. Gradually reducing these behaviors lowers strain on your cardiovascular system. Daily deep breathing techniques reduce stress and improve oxygen circulation, stabilizing blood pressure and enhancing overall health. Week 10. The power of laughter. Laughter is a natural stress relief tool that lowers blood pressure and improves heart health. It releases endorphins that counteract cortisol, the stress hormone. Laughter also improves blood circulation and relaxes blood vessels. Spend time with friends, watch a funny movie, or engage in activities that bring joy. Incorporating laughter into your routine boosts mental well-being and supports cardiovascular health. A happy heart is a healthy heart, your healthy future. Completing this 10-week program is a step toward lifelong health and vitality. By adopting these habits, you've taken control of your blood pressure and overall well-being. Prioritize hydration, balanced nutrition, and regular exercise. Revisit these strategies regularly to maintain your progress. Celebrate your achievements and continue building on the foundation you've created for a healthier future. These actionable steps are designed to empower you with the tools to manage your blood pressure naturally. Consistency is key, and small changes can lead to significant results over time. Start your journey today and embrace a healthier, happier lifestyle. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful tips,